Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today I'm going to be doing swatches for the Celavi long wearing flat finish matte lipsticks. As always with my lipstick swatching videos, I'm coming to you guys with clean, fresh, exfoliated lips, and then I'm going to make sure that I have all the names of the lipsticks at the bottom of the screen. Then at the very end, I'm going to come to you guys with all my thoughts, comments, questions, concerns about the lipsticks. So just to show you guys, this is what the tube looks like. It says matte lipstick, and this is the long lasting flat finish. And then at the very top here, it comes with, I guess this is, would consider this a gloss, I don't know, but it's super pigmented. I accidentally dipped my finger in it and it got everywhere, but it's very pigmented. So you guys, those are all three of the lip shades. Just to go ahead and get into my notes, it's pretty much all the same for all three of them, with the exception of Amber. Amber was the only metallic shade that I did pick up. I did originally think that it was just a brown color. However, once I opened it up, it was a metallic color, and I'm not really into metallics. However, it was a pretty decent color. For all the lipsticks, they are the traditional stick format lipsticks, so these are definitely not transfer proof. You guys can see that some of that did transfer to my hand. The first two lipsticks were really shaky. The first one, Amber, did fall out completely. It got on my jeans and it fell onto the ground. So they're not really secure in the tube. It's just kind of like shaking around. So it's just something to note, be careful of. They do all have this tacky texture to the lips. And I think what bothered me the most was that once you started trying to apply the lipstick, you really had to build it up and just massage it thoroughly into your lips for it to start to build up any type of product and really glide on. The first few swipes, it wasn't really transferring, so that's kind of annoying. I mean, each of these were $1.50. They retail for $1.50 or $1.49, something like that. So it's like I say, sometimes I'm not surprised. You get what you pay for. I had to get my words together for a second. So yeah, I mean, it's a decent price point. Eventually it does have a decent color payoff. However, I just don't like to work that hard for something. I just want it to work on command. I don't want to have to be massaging it into my lips and now my lips are hurting because I'm trying to get the lip color to transfer onto my lips. When I did take these off, they did have a bit of a drying feel to them. So I don't know if that's a combination of me having to really like work to get this onto my lips, or it's just the product itself. I'm not really sure. Overall, I definitely would not buy these again. However, if you're looking for something within your budget, you don't mind having to, I guess, warm it up and build it onto your lips, then I would say that these do have, I mean, I only picked three because I only liked three of the colors. So I would say definitely wear a lip liner with these. Some of them, they were flaking off in chunks. Like the actual lipstick itself was like just coming off in globs on my lips. So if you can overlook all of those things that I mentioned, then definitely I would say look into it. It's at a pretty decent price point if you are on a budget. I would definitely say wear a lip liner with it to compensate because it does get messy. I was just rubbing it all over my mouth, and luckily like I was able to stay within the lines, but definitely a lip liner to serve as your guide or to clean it up. Also, before I forget, these do come off very, very easily. I just used some makeup remover wipes. These are the Burt's Bees facial towelettes. Came off really easy, don't have to scrub, comes off easy. I've said that like 4 times now. And then also the last lipstick that I did wear, it did kind of stain my lips a little bit, but it's nothing terrible. So you guys, that is all that I have for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, you just want to chat, leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.